is that jam?
Welcome back to my channel. I'm D if you're new, and we done finally made it to the hotel. I'm about to get ready and relax. I'm gonna do a little grocery haul. I want to tell you guys Happy New Year. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. I'm so excited to keep my channel going, and I appreciate every last one of y'all that click on my video. So yeah, I'm about to get settled into the hotel, and I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul to show you guys everything that we picked up at Publix. And yeah, thank you so much. Happy New Year, and let's go. We're gonna start off over here. This is just soap and personal stuff. This is for me to clean the hot tub and the shower. We got water. We got some champagne for mimosas in the morning and a little liquor. We left liquor at home because, you know, it was New Year's, so we already been drinking a lot. So this is good enough for the time we're gonna be here. I have some sausages for breakfast, barbecue sauce, some chives. We're gonna be doing fully loaded potatoes for dinner. So I have some baked potatoes. I have an onion. They had these at Publix, buy two get one free. So we're gonna be orange juicing it up this trip. Baby got some lemon for the seafood. We got some toothpaste. Baby loves to just use a certain kind. We got cheese for the baked potato, my butter. We got sour cream for the baked potato, garlic seasoning for the seafood, black pepper and salt. I got my fruit blend. I always get this. This is butter for the grits. We got some grits. We got some crab legs. We got some lobster tails. We have eggs. I have corn and meats that I've already seasoned. They've been sitting for a couple of days waiting for us to go. So these are seasoned steaks. This is corn with butter and seasoning. And then I have steak and ribs and stuff. So we'll be cooking that also. And that is the whole menu for the trip. Y'all, I was tearing this food up. I didn't even think about showing y'all. I'm coming back for seconds. That's the corn, and that's the ribs. I season this thing so good, y'all. It's so delicious. Hey, y'all, we just getting up. It's the next morning, January 2nd. It's about 12 something, and I just fixed having, and we're drinking a little mimosa, and we'll be going to the pool today, and I'll be taking you guys with me. So let me show you so baby can eat. All right, I just made grits, sausage, and eggs, and baby got his mimosa, and I ate a little bit extra last night, so I don't want that much today. So this is my little portion and my mimosa, and that's baby's food, and we about all right, y'all, this is our food: crab legs and lobster tails, steak and onions, and our loaded potatoes. I was gonna get some bacon, but we're already doing a lot already, so I didn't add bacon to the loaded potatoes. But